Welcome to the new tutorial. In this video, we'll go through move entities, copy entities, and rotate entities in our sketch features. After watching this video, you will be able to implement move, copy, and rotate features in your sketches. So to start with, we'll go with the move entities. So from here, we select the move entities option. Now, as you can see, we need to define the entities we want to move. So for this, we'll just select the whole sketch by pressing Ctrl A. Now there are two parameters by which I can move my sketch. So the first one is from and to, in which I need to define my start point and the end point. So if I want the start point to be this point, I select this, and then wherever I want, I can put the sketch according to my desired. So if I want to put this sketch on the origin, I'll put there. If I want to put the sketch on this line here, I just put it. I'll just mark the endpoint there. So now the other way to move your sketch, which we saw, was the X and Y. I'll also show you that. So now we'll just select these entities to move. We go on this X and Y. So now you can see this here is delta X and delta Y. So delta X is the millimeters length you want to move in the X direction, your sketch, and the delta Y is how much millimeters you want to move your sketch in the Y direction. So you just define those millimeters here and your sketch will be moved according to that. So suppose I want to move my sketch 50 millimeters in Y direction and 50 millimeters also in X direction. So I put 50 millimeters in both and my sketch moves accordingly, as you can see in this preview. And then I press OK. So now my sketch has been moved. Now we move on to the another tool, which is rotate entities. Sorry, we'll first see about copy entities. Go on, select copy entities. In this also we need to define, like, select the entities we want to move. And in this also we have parameters which we need to define. Either we want from to, so I'll just go with from to now, and I select this point and I copy it to here. So this copy tool is really helpful when if your linear sketch pattern can't be used or you are not able to get the desired result according to that. So you can just copy your sketch to the desired location or point you want. So I'll just show you about X and Y movement also we saw there. Because I want to move this. So I'll go on copy entities, select X and Y and just give the X distance I want to copy it and the Y point. See, you can see the yellow preview here. I won't OK it because it get messy. You can see the yellow figures here. These are the preview of your copy sketch where it will be copied. Now the other one is the rotating your entities. So we select on this rotate entities. In this also we need to first define the entities we want to rotate. Suppose I want to rotate this sketch and then I need to select the center of rotation. So center of the rotation is the center point from which by relation to which your sketch rotates. So if I want this center point to a center of rotation, I select it, and now you can see these two arrows. So if I move this, my sketch rotates about that point. So either I can put my angle through this, or I can also put it like feed in from here, like 200 millimeters if I want. Sorry, degrees. If I want to keep my relations, I just stick on it. This is a single sketch we have said, so the key position doesn't affect. If I had selected these both sketches, then it might have affected a little bit. So I'll just put whatever degree I wanted to rotate by. Suppose I wanted to rotate by 120 degrees, so I just put 20 degrees and press OK. So there's another option here, as you could see. I'll just talk about this also in this video, the scale entities. In this, you just scale your sketch to like if I want to scale this sketch, I select this. I need to select the scale about point. So I'll just select the center point and see this was 160. So I'll just select 5. See, so this is 5 times greater or 4 times bigger than the previous one. So if I want to press a lot of times. So if I want to like 1 by 5, I need to scale it down to 1 by 5. I put in 1 by 5 and a sketch has been scaled down to. So if I select copy here, I'll get a copy of the sketch. If I don't want a copy, I'll just uncheck this and I press OK. So as you can see, my whole sketch has been scaled down to 1 by 5th of its original, you can call it as size. So this is all about this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch. And check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.